If you're from across the world, Joey Jones, back on the road. Well, first let me say, congratulations to all the ones that passed and obtained their CDLs. They have their CDLs. That's also is a great feeling. I have a couple emails that I did answer, and it's a great feeling. Well, first let me say, this video real quick. Listen, when you're over the road, dedicated, local, whatever you're doing, you know, whatever fleet you're running, always, you know, watch your mirror. You always, you know, the mirrors are the best friends, man. You're all alone, but the mirrors, even the ones on the front, those right there, you see those? Those cover your blind spot. Some trucks don't have it on the driver, on the passenger side, you know, but man, them mirrors are the best, you know. So right now, you always want to get out and look. It's your mirrors, man. Use your mirrors. Get out and look and use mirrors. Right now, I'm about to get in that slot right there, and I'm gonna do a video from up here. And one thing too that I want to show you is a little trick that I use. You know, well, when you're a professional truck driver, you know, you need room. You gotta release your seatbelt, your your shoulder, your elbow rest. You gotta release everything. So you need space. So what I like to do is, you know, I want my space to move around when you're gonna back in the trailer. So then what I do is I release the steering wheel, push it all the way forward. And another thing that I'm using is a swivel. You know, it's not on the Swift policy. Some trucking companies don't use it, but you know, I can recommend it because you're constant. You know, you're gonna be, this is you. You know, you're gonna be sticking out your door while you're maneuvering with one hand. You know, it's hard to, you know, maneuver with two hands and stick out. You know what I'm saying? So this right here is a swivel. I use it. It comes in handy, and it makes life easier rather than using two hands and just sticking your head out. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and get in here. So I don't know if you see my videos yet, but I'm gonna get in here. So what I like to do, I like to count 3 containers, 3 trailers, whatever it is, you know. So then I'm going in here. I count 1, 2, and 3. So how I do it, I count 1, 2, and 3. Or you could say, as if right now that's a chassis right there. I do it in the moto, but that's a hole. You got 1, 2, 3 holes. That's a container. So what I normally do is I reach my front bumper to the edge of the last container, and then I cut the 3 o'clock all the way. And here we go. Cut the 3 o'clock. But yeah, what you do is, you know, take your time. Practice. Always put it to the test, man. Put yourself to the test, and do what I say. You know, count 1, 2, 3, cut the 3 o'clock. What you do is you cut to 3 o'clock, and then cut to 3 o'clock, and then the 12 o'clock. Show you how to do it from up here. Just trying to get. All right, here we go. Cut it. Now here we go. Boom, boom, boom. 12 o'clock. Look at the mirrors. Look at the mirrors. Look at your mirrors. Look at your mirrors. You see that gap? That's where I'm going. So then you see it back there. Pull up a little more. Right there. There you go. Then I like to close it. Close my gap. Right turn it. Just a little, not a lot. See, here we go. Go for it. Then you straighten out a little bit. See that? Straighten out a little bit. Going. See it? Now close. Close it a little bit. Now open it. Open it. Just barely kissing the cheddar. See? I close it a little bit. Now open it. See that? I close it a little bit. This is closing the gap. This is opening the gap. So there you go. Keep going. Look at the mirrors. See that? It's easy. You know, it's easy because you're a professional truck driver. You know. Well, right now I'm doing this right now because there's not a lot of traffic out here. You know, normally there's a lot of traffic, like a lot of people in this yard. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do the video. You know, but there you go. You know, just back up in there. See, but your mirrors are your best friend. You see that gap? That's the gap you're looking for. Look at this side too. See, your mirrors are your best friend out here, man. Because a lot of these people, they don't care, man. They see you try to back in, and they see you try to struggle. You know, nobody wants to come out and help, man. So you gotta do what you have to do, man. I always say, you know, I'm a one-man army. I gotta stay up and put my feet on the ground for myself. You know, and that's why I got really good at doing this, you know. Now pop the brakes. Boom, pop both of them. You know, again, the swivel, it's good. It's really solid, and it's made out of steel, and it is secured in there. And again, I do use it on the truck. You know, again, a lot of companies, they don't allow you to have that, the swivel, but it comes in handy. You know, it helps you maneuver a lot faster when you're backing in a hole or backing in a dock or backing in a stud, whatever. You know, anywhere you have to back in, you know, it helps you a lot. You know, I really recommend it. You know, and again, you know, speak to your driver manager. I did spoke to my driver leader, and she wasn't sure about it. But you know, as long as you know you don't hit nothing, or you doing, you know, because I only use it again just to maneuver my way in the spot where I need to be in. All right. So congratulations! I knew you can do it, professional truck driver. Now I'm about to go ahead and release this container, so I keep you posted. Okay, keep you posted for my next video. Grab my gloves, release my lines, my power line. Boop, put them back where they belong, on the housing. You know, pull the fifth full release. Bring down the landing gear, and that's all to it. That's all to it. That's all to it, my friends. You know, and I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to do these videos, and that's basically what it is, man. This is part of being a truck driver, man. But again, you're the captain of the ship. Only you know what to do. All right, my people. So I'll catch you in my next video. Don't forget to drive safe, be safe, fly safe. God bless y'all. Love y'all. See ya.